start it over.
Good idea.
Good try. Oh! Take that.
Trump.
Euchred.
What?
What's going on down there?
Oh, look at that. Yeah, they're missing it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
What the hell?
It's flares.
Like on our feet.
Up again.
What was that?
We're saying we got flares on, or pot lights. It's like the island of fire. Nice.
Your arms get tired, let me know. I love you.
Love you too, baby.
Come on, Ace, stop me. I swear to God, they're over here.
Whoa! Jesus! Dang it!
Do the really huge one again. I like that one.
Oh, I'm sure they'll finish with that one. I'm not sure what the point of the flares were.
It was just to add ambiance.
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 I see.
Like this is the island of fire. Oh.
Awesome. There you go. Crispy.
Yay.
I like the willow tree ones.
Nice. Getting ants in my pants.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I do too. God, I love those ones. This is the finale.
There you go.
Oh, that was cool.
There you go.
We love fire.
Wow. Wow.
That could have been.
Oh. Fooled you.
No. I guess that one wasn't as good as they thought it was going to be.
Is that it?
I guess so.
There might be.
One more of the big ones.
Do we yell for an encore? One more song! One more song!
We're the one about fireworks.
I guess that's it.
Oh, all
Okay,
right.
the end.